Hi everyone, Chef Mark here with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, and it's day 2 in Las Vegas at the KBIS show. And I'm really honored to have Barry here with Signature Kitchen Suites. Thanks for touring us around today.
Great to be here, Mark. Thank you.
Yeah, so I understand that we're standing next to the 2019 show winner, and this is the 48-inch Pro range that's got some pretty cool features, right?
Absolutely. This is the Signature Kitchen Suite Pro sous vide 48-inch range, but it's a lot more than sous vide. We kind of feature that, but it's got the best gas burners you can really get on the market. It's got induction.
Wait, hold on. Let me stop you because I cook on this thing all the time. All
Actually,
right,
you probably know more about it than I do.
I'm gonna tell you about this. Okay, 2 beautiful induction burners, right? And I love this because when you turn it on, you have the timer integrated right into the knob, which no one else is doing. I love that. Same thing with the gas burners. When you turn these on, you can do the timer right in the knob. It's got a full culinary suite, right, with a probe. So if you don't know how to cook, this thing will cook for you, right? Check this out. It's integrated sous vide, which I love, and of course it's sous vide, vacuum pack cooking. Things are cooking in their own juices, impossible to overcook. If you're doing a steak, it's a quick sear.
Absolutely.
How am I doing so far, right?
You need a job? Because I know you got a great job.
Yeah, we're not done. and I do love my job, thank you very much, because I get to talk about this thing. Boom, steam oven, right? And then a convection oven, again, with the full culinary features. And then, I don't know the BTUs on the burner. I'm going to take an educated guess here. 22,000?
23, very close.
Oh, well, I left I left 1,000 BTU on the table.
That's okay.
So this won last year. What does it mean to win Best in Show for KBIS? What does that bring to Signature Kitchen Suites?
You know, I can tell you in my previous life, we tried for about 10 years to just get into the category and be nominated. So to not only win Best Kitchen Product, but Best Overall KBIS Product across all the categories was a huge honor. I think it just speaks to us listening to the design community and to great dealers like you guys and taking that feedback and our combined 700 years of experience on the team to try and create a restaurant for someone's home. And that's what this is.
It truly is.
If you were serving 30 or 40 people a night, this is probably really all you would need to really create any of the best foods out there that you could from a restaurant.
Well, so I cook for our designers and our vendor partners frequently in our main showroom, our fine line showroom in Denver, and I've done food for 100 people off this bad boy.
That's amazing.
And it, I just love the control, and I just love it. It's a pleasure to cook on. So
that's amazing. I watch your YouTube videos. They're really fun to watch.
Thanks, everyone. That's at Chef Mark Calix. All right. So I understand 2020. Big year. Okay, let's talk about 2020. And I imagine, how are you going to follow up winning last year? What are we excited about?
We're super excited to expand the assortment into more built-in cooking. So we've really been focused on kind of the Pro kitchen.
Yeah.
So the Pro ranges, the column refrigeration, and you'll see today our new wine columns, which are up for award this year. We're very honored to be, given that chance to win Best of KBIS with the wine column again. So we're really happy about that. But what you're going to see are some amazing new wall ovens, some amazing new range tops that are what we kind of have a motto where we don't focus on making Me Too product. There's great brands out there that have been doing it a long time.
Yep.
A lot of whom we've looked up to for a long time. That's not what we're trying to do. We're not trying to crowd the market with the same product in a different looking box. We're really trying to appeal to what we call the technicurian. So it's somebody that really likes to cook at home, but they really don't mind a little technology as long as it does one of two things. It either saves them time or it helps them become a better home chef.
Yeah.
And ultimately that helps them become a better entertainer, right?
Yeah, and with the full culinary suite, like if you don't know how to make lamb, it will tell you how to make lamb, and then you can't outsmart the thing. I tried, and I'm like, and I'm looking at this, I was a little offended. I'm like, I've been replaced by a machine. But no, it not only do you have the control for somebody like an advanced cook like myself, but also for the passionate home cook. It almost teaches you how to cook, and you can scroll through the menu of options and almost choose what to make for dinner based on what's in the software.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And can we show the
Yeah, let's do it.
So,
yeah.
It's kind of as much technology or as little technology as you want. So it's as simple as walking up to the range, choosing your oven, Now, if I just wanted to bake something at 350, which people do all the time,
Yep.
right? I could just choose bake, and I can hit start. It's that simple.
Oh, wow.
But if I've never made a roast before and I wanted to try out a new recipe with confidence, I could go ahead and select beef. I could select beef tenderloin. I don't want it rare, I want it medium rare, so I'm going to go down just a notch. You can see the temperature of the meat actually change.
Yep.
And then I can hit next, and we're ready to go. The range literally is going to make it foolproof. It's even going to adjust the temperature for me on convection, so I don't have any chance of making a mistake. And if I've never used a probe before in the meat, it's actually going to show me exactly how to do it. I can even watch a 1-minute video if I've never done it before.
So do I need to preheat the oven, or I can just put the meat in there with the probe?
This will actually take care of everything as long as you're using that probe. It'll take it up to the temperature you want, and you really don't have to sit here in front of the appliance and watch it and keep tabs on it, because on our app, Signature Kitchen Suite app, you can actually see exactly what's going on. I can be out in the backyard entertaining with my friends and family and know exactly when it reaches temperature, and even choose if I want to keep the range holding that temperature and go into warming mode. If I don't have to run over and take my roast out, let it rest right away. It's going to do all the work for me if that's what I want to do. So it's a lot of fun.
That's pretty cool. It's a feature that I don't utilize as much, so it's great to learn about. But also, I could see where I entertain a lot at home, and it would be nice to have that feature instead of having to keep one eye on the stove and a timer goes off. I'm like, wait, what's going on here?
Absolutely. And with the other timers on the cooktop that you have on induction and gas and sous vide, you can actually time your whole meal to come out at the same time.
Yeah, so when the timer goes off, does the gas burner turn off automatically?
It actually won't do that, and that's for safety reasons.
Okay.
So as you know, with UL, it's a safety issue to have any type of an auto shut on or auto shut off with gas. But what it will do is it will allow you to turn the induction on or off, turn it up or down. Same thing with the ovens, and what's really nice is you can actually control your oven when you're not at home. So if you've got this set on the mode to be able to remotely start it, you can be at work on your way home, pick up a take and bake pizza, and that oven is piping hot, ready to go when you get home.
Oh, that's very cool.
So it's a really nice feature.
Yeah, that's great. So a ton of technology, but it all seems very approachable.
Very approachable. We wanted to make it easy. So if you can use your phone, you can use this.
We all know how to use those.
Just as easily. So, and we kept that same kind of look and feel and swipe technology.
Yeah.
And all the haptics. And we're really into haptics. We like to make things easy to use and friendly to use. So
that's fantastic. Well, let's take a look at those ovens because I'm excited to hear about them.
Absolutely.
Okay.